G'day adventurers, welcome to another episode of Adventure Cook-Ups. I'm here with my daughter Cailin and we're going to cook up, well we're actually not going to cook up, are we?
No.
We are going to make up a delicious, healthy little wrap that even the young ones here will enjoy. We need a wrap. What are we going to put on next? Some cheese? We're going to grab some cheese. We've got grated in the fridge, so we'll let Cailin get that out. Enough? Okay. Sprinkle some cheese. Stuff like this is excellent. It's really good to get kids involved and it makes them want to come out with you more often as well. And well, we all want that. All right, next, what are we going to put on it?
Cucumber.
Some cucumber. Got some baby cukes. These make a delicious little snack as well. You don't like the ends, do you?
No.
And we'll just slice it up. Like that. I'll let Cailin chuck them on. And then a little bit of tomato. We've just got some Romas, I think these are. Or Berlin, I don't know. Romas, cherries, anything like 3? 4. With the tomatoes, we'll just slice them in half. Just like that. There we go. Okay. And that is as simple as it gets. Quick, easy, healthy little snack, or meal or lunch that even the flies want to eat. And yeah, you can put whatever on it. If your kids love it, then put it on because you're guaranteed it's going to get them to eat. And it's so easy. Next, we'll just help her wrap it up. Okay. How is it? There we go, adventurers. A healthy little wrap snack for the kids to eat and even yourself. Doesn't take long and well, before you know it, you'll be out in the tracks and you can keep adventuring with your whole family. While you're at it, go and check out our other cook-ups in our Adventure Cook-Ups playlist down below and I'll see you over in our next video.
Bush cooking is the best cooking I've ever done.